What's the meaning of conceptualist? Conceptualist. Conceptualist.
Conceptualist. Conceptualist. A conceptualist is a person who emphasizes the importance of concepts and ideas in understanding the world. They believe that concepts are more fundamental than things and that our perception of reality is shaped by our mental frameworks. Conceptualists often question the validity of traditional categories and seek to redefine them. They see language as a tool for constructing meaning, rather than reflecting reality. In short, conceptualists are interested in exploring the nature of concepts and their role in shaping our understanding of the world.